Om Gururam Namaste. Good afternoon all of you, my dear third class students. Today discuss about money from your course book volume 2, page number 22. Last problem. See here, Dheeraj and his sister went to a restaurant with their parents and grandparents. Dheeraj and his sister went to restaurant. Restaurant ki vellar. Evartoni? With their parents and grandparents. వాళ్ళ parents తోని మరియు grandparents. They ordered 6 plates of puri for all of them. So they ordered 6 plates of puri for all of them. అందరికి 6 plates puri ఆర్డర్ చేశారు. Each plate puri cost 55 rupees beta. The cost of each plate puri, that is cost 55 rupees. How much money did they pay in the restaurant? వారు రెస్టారెంట్లో ఎంత మనీ పేమెంట్ చేశారు? See here, the cost of each plate. Solution. The cost of each plate puri, that is equals to 55 rupees. Number of plates they ordered. Six plates. Okay. So the total money to be paid to the restaurant. To be paid, that is cost 55 rupees into 6 plates. Or 6 plates into the cost of each plate 55 rupees. So 55 into 6. 6 5s are 30. In it, 0 taking, carrying 3. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3, you can get 33. Then write 33. See, what is the total cost? 330 rupees. Right. Okay. See, page number 23. Billing. This is very, very important. See, a bill helps us to know the total items were purchased. A bill helps to know the total items we purchased, the cost of each item and the total cost in single glance. మనం ఏదైనా షాప్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఐటమ్స్ తీసుకుంటాం కదా, సో వాటి యొక్క ఈచ్ ఐటమ్ యొక్క కాస్ట్, ఆ టోటల్ బిల్లు టోటల్ మనకు మొత్తం కూడా బిల్లులో చూడవచ్చు. See here, Sanju went to a shopping mall to buy a dresses for her birthday. Sanju went to a shopping mall to buy a dress for her birthday. Did you understand? అర్థమైందా? See, she bought 3 tops, 2 trousers, 1 long frock, a pair of shoes, a hairband and 2 sets of bangles. The bill for these items is given below. See here. See, 3 tops. First one, see, the cost of each top 500 rupees. 2 trousers. The cost of 1 trouser, that is cost 800 rupees. Next, one long frock. So the cost of one long frock, that is cost to 1400 rupees. Pair of shoes 600 rupees. Hair band 60 rupees. The bangle set 100 rupees. So we can write the bill according to the given costs. So here billing. Look at the blackboard, everybody. See here, number. Next item. Next cost. Per item. Quantity. తర్వాత total cost. See here, first one, top. So the cost of one top, each top 500 rupees. See here, listen carefully beta. 500 rupees, point after 2 zeros means this is paise. Did you understand? So point after 2 digits 0 is there. This is paise and point before number, this is rupees. See, the cost of one top is equals to 500 rupees. So how many tops did she buy? 3 tops. Quantity means number of tops. How many? 3. Then you can multiply 500 rupees into 3. See here, look at the blackboard. 300, 300, point 300, 300, 3 5s are 15. How many rupees beta? 1500 rupees. So point before number indicates shows rupees. Point after numbers indicates pice. So 1500 rupees, it can be written as 1500.00. So now you can write it here 1500 rupees. Now next one is second one, treasure. So the cost of one treasure, that is cost to 800 rupees. So how many treasures is she buy? 2. How many? 2. See here. 800 rupees, 005 into 2. 200, 200, points, 200, 200, 2 8 are 16. 1600. 1600 rupees after point after 2 zeros. Did you understand? So 1600. 1600 after point. Point after how many zeros, right? 2 zeros. So this is indicates, shows pice. This is indicates rupees. Now next, third one, long frock. The cost of one long frock, that is cost 1400. How many by? How many long frocks? So only one. Means what is the total cost? 1400 rupees. That's it. Next, sandals. The cost of each sandal 600 rupees. So how many sandals she buy? Only one pair of sandal. then you can write 600 rupees. Now next, hair band. Hair band just 60 rupees. How many hair bands better? Only one hair bands. So then you can get total cost also 60 rupees. Next, last one, bangle set. What is the cost of bangle set? 100 rupees. How many bangle sets? She buy 2. So 2 into 100 you can get 200. Then add total. See here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Did you understand? Then you can write here clearly. $1,500, 1,600, 1,400, 600, 60 rupees, 200. Okay? 0, 0, see? 0. Now here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6 plus 0, 6. Now next, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2, 23. So 23 in it 3 taking, carrying 2. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5,360 rupees. 5,360 rupees. Now next, everybody open workbook. Money. See here, page number 22. Compare the following. Compare the following right greater than or less than symbols in the blanks. See here, 850 rupees, 910 rupees. So which is more value? 910 rupees. So bigger number than 850 rupees. So here we can use which symbol better? Then you can use here less than symbol. Less than symbol. Now next one is 5,435 rupees. Here 5,453 rupees. See here 5,435, 5,453. 5,453 is bigger than 5,435 now. So here which symbol we can use? Less than symbol. Now next 1065 dash 1,605 rupees. See here 1,605 rupees is more than 1,065 rupees. So here we can use less than symbol. Okay? 1,065 rupees is less than 1,605 rupees. Now next 4,028. See here 3,126 rupees. 4,028 rupees is more than 3,126. Now here use greater than symbol. Right up. Now next here rupees 4,051 dash 4,501. See here 4,051 is less than 4,501. Now you can use here less than symbol. Next 2,395 rupees dash 2,953 rupees. See here 2,953 rupees is more than 2,395 rupees, but here use which symbol? Less than symbol. Next 6,832 rupees. There 6,283 rupees. See here 6,832 rupees is more than 6,283 rupees. So here use greater than symbol. Now next 8,500 rupees. 8,050 rupees. 8,500 rupees is more than 8,050 rupees. So you can use greater than symbol. Completed. Now next arrange the following commands. In order from largest to smallest. So the given amounts 604 rupees, 496 rupees, don't have 312 rupees, 479 rupees, 1,205 rupees. See here, you can find out bigger one, largest one, you can find out. So 604, 496, 312, 470. This is largest, no? First write down 1,205 205 rupees. Write down first. Now this is completed. Remaining how many? 4 amounts in it. Which is largest? 604, 496, 312, 479. 604. Next 604 completed. Remaining 3 amounts 496, 312, 479. So 496 is the largest number. 496 rupees. So this is also completed. Now next 479. This is also completed. The remaining is 312 rupees. Write down everything. Next, arrange the following amounts in order from smallest to largest. So the given amounts 524, 468, 364, 1037, 1703. So you can find out the smallest number, 364 rupees. So remaining 4 amounts are there. So in it you can find out smallest number, 468 rupees. Now next, remaining 3 amounts in the smallest, among the smallest, which is 524 rupees. Then remaining 2 amounts, 1037, 1037, 1703. So in it 1037 rupees is smaller number than 1703. Then you can write 1037. Now the remaining is 1703 rupees. Write down everybody. So okay, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.